Surrounded by taller buildings, BH House is a contemporary home for a family of 4 on a narrow, 4 by 16 plot of land and has rooftop courtyards as outdoor spaces, in the dense city of Hanoi, Vietnam. The roof area is covered by open gardens, where the family may grow their own vegetable and fruits. The rooftops also include space for relaxing in the busy city. Bricks were assembled in a pattern to allow ventilation on the second story. The lower level of the home has a white exterior, while the upper level consists of multiple brick volumes, some with overhanging plants, adding a greenery element to the space. Inside the home, concrete floors, white walls, and plenty of windows keep the living spaces feeling bright and cheery. Skylights welcome in natural light. The kitchen, dining area, and living room seamlessly flow together, making the first floor seem more spacious. A staircase leads from the bedroom to the rooftop garden. Here's a look at the plans of the home. Outdoor lighting included in the design of the rooftops enables the space to be used at night. It also adds light to the neighborhood as it can pass through the walls and openings.